It's hot out, you know. Okay, I'll step it up a little bit.
There's your $3 chair from the garage sale.
That's a damn good chair.
Do you remember those orange ones in the music room?
Look at that, good back support.
Mm-hmm. They had 3 of them. We should have bought a couple more.
Yeah, I think it'll work good, brother. That's not a shovel for digging holes.
Oh, yes, it is.
Well, usually it's rounded and it's called a spade.
There's one up at the cabin if you want to go get it. You don't need it that bad.
You know, he's got to make whatever he does so hard to do that he gets the maximum calorie burn out of it and kills everybody else. That's right. My electric saw with me with 2 fresh batteries.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Yeah, they'll last about 20
So I
or
tell
30
you what,
cuts.
by the
We'll
time,
get about 20 or 30 cuts out of it, and then we'll have to revert to this.
by the time I get that warmed up, your batteries will
Well,
be dead.
they could be, yes, but they're old batteries. I got new ones coming.
Yeah, okay.
That's like coming to a gunfight with a knife. You know?
Says the guy that won't go get the shovel. He's too far
There's
away.
bears up there. Are you nuts? I don't have no protection. I got a field arrow. Yeah, okay, that's gonna protect me all right. As that me and that thing are passing through the bear's internal tract. Jeez. Mosquitoes have been staying away from me lately. I don't know what's going on.
Is we're going to put gravel underneath each 4x4 post. We're going to put lag screws in the structure, and then we're going to, if we get time, we're going to put and we're going to anchor it. I made some anchors here on the forge the other day. So we're going to anchor her down, level her off. And what I did is I just took a piece of rebar, basically made a big nail out of it.
Oh, cool.
Yep. So you just upset the ends, pointed the other end.
Why?
Because we got to lift each leg up to get gravel underneath it, so it really doesn't matter.
That's true. You can level it out with
I don't want to disturb it all that much. I just want to level it out just a little bit.
You tell them, Lizzie.
Okay, put her.
See, I had visions of you actually cutting a square hole
Yeah.
about a foot deep, filling it full of sand,
Yeah.
and then putting it on top there. This is way too easy for you. Like, this is way, I can't believe you, this is a fill move.
Yeah, but all you got to do is keep it off the wet ground.
Yeah, exactly.
That's all you got to do.
And
And
how-
misery here to keep me going.
Well, keep talking. Monologue while you're supposed to be working.
So,
yes.
okay,
It was started in 1958.
It's too easy to move the wheelbarrow, I see.
White socks, oh no!
Yeah, if I had black ones, you wouldn't notice, right?
Exactly.
It's
Sorry.
you.
You see what he did?
Yeah, right on your foot.
So he knows I'm putting gravel underneath
Well,
it.
where am I supposed to stand? Okay?
You know, that's like standing in front of the target. Okay, shoot.
No, it's not. You're supposed to have some sort of aim.
Your foot's right next door to the, and there's about a 12-inch diameter around it. There we go. Anyway, okay, lift her up again.
Wait a second, I gotta get my foot out.
Your socks.
I think you're aiming for it, personally.
It's hard to miss them.
A little bit of this end.
Flamboyant socks.
I tell you. Like me and Trudeau got something in common. Fancy socks. I don't know.
He can learn. He can learn. And his foot right under this thing.
Oh shit, that's level.
Sure.
We're done.
Oh yeah, so what?
No, still gotta come up. Yeah, just a little bit.
Why didn't you bring a ladder?
Forgot it.
Fun.
Fun. Be close.
It's perfect this way.
Yeah.
It's like, I mean,
You got to remember, this is going to settle an inch in either
yeah,
direction.
no, it's perfect, Keith.
Okay. Right.
So we used to do it in the old days.
That's right.
Same thing as that one.
See, the thing is, the weight of this thing is going to push
Oh,
this
yeah.
into the ground.
Yeah.
You know.
So what do you figure, Lucy?
All right.
Is that what you wanted?
I want it. We pinned them on an angle because an angle is going to be a lot harder to pull out of the ground. Right.
Okay. You want it all the way in?
Just push farther so we don't trip on it. Good. Go more. Go more. There we go. You go this way and this way. Now, if the wind's coming from this direction, right? It's got to take that 3-foot piece and pull it this. It's got to pull it vertical.
Yeah.
And pretty. It's going to be hard to
Yeah,
do.
because you're on an angle. But
So what we're doing is like right now we've got every joint is got wood screws in it. Doesn't have enough shear.
What does that mean? What does shear mean?
Shear strength.
Okay.
You know, the force is going to go this way. So what he decided to do is all the joints were going to put a 3/8 leg screw in there.
Okay.
All right.
I appreciate that because you're going to be up there, and if that sucker starts twisting, you're going to hit the ground. I don't like that idea.
It's overkill on. This whole thing is overkill, but
If some's good, more's better.
yeah.
Every scene gets one.
Yep.
Is that a 10 millimeter?
9/16.
9/16. Okay. So you didn't have to break the emergency one, huh?
That's right. Old school.
Yeah. Well, they get the impact driver gets it in a fairways, but
You and your dad. Well, you're just so...
What extras do you have?
I don't know.
How many are you going to put in?
About 5 pounds.
5. Oh, you went by pounds, not numbers.
Yeah. So Philip's going to cut a couple pieces of that black roofing paper,
Right.
and then we're going to put that over top of this before we put the boards down,
Okay.
just to protect the structure and keep wind out.
What could possibly go wrong?
What could possibly?
Kind of like getting used to Keith.
I see.
Sometimes it seems like a daunting task, but you know, eventually you get over it.
Brothers.
Change your socks.
No, I didn't.
We got to start putting boards on. I guess you could. You got the tape still on you?
I got it.
She's got it. Well, just let me finish this and then we'll work on the...
Yeah, but we can move towards. We can move.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah.
But I can't remember which way is the 4-foot mark. I think.
Throw that tape up.
No, you're gonna have to put another piece on. Let me finish this
Yeah.
side. I'll get these two on this side. Then I'll move over to there. You can put the last piece on.
Well, I would rather prefer using the ladder than trying to go across there.
No. I'll work off of the.
Oh, over here. Yeah.
and you
Gotcha.
can have the
Gotcha.
ladder.
Clear as mud.
Clear as mud.
This ladder's a little sketchy.
Yeah, it is. I'm going to go put my foot on it.
Oh,
One of the drills.
yeah.
But we're going to slowly run out of batteries.
Oh shit! I thought you had yours charged.
Well, I did, but I was using that impact wrench.
You got your charger?
Well, I gotta admit them thermal cells are working. I wasn't looking forward to this.
What's that?
Them thermal cells are working. Oh, I wasn't looking forward to being out here. I thought the mosquitoes would just be eating the lives of me. There should be there's a jar there with a bunch of 1.5 inch.
Yeah. They're driven by human power. None of these boards are the same length either.
Put this thicker board on here. That one seems thinner. out the window. Yeah. So you got me back a little ways.
You can come back